Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to remove a Kia Optima front bumper. First, gather your essential tools including a pushpin plier, a 10mm socket wrench, and both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is securely on car ramps or jack stands. Always set the parking brake and open the hood to prepare for the initial steps. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe removal process for your front bumper. Next, we will focus on the top section of the bumper. You will find approximately 6 to 8 push pins along the upper bumper support bracket. Use your pushpin plier to carefully remove each of these plastic fasteners. After that, locate and unscrew the two 10mm bolts holding the air duct in place. Once these bolts are out, gently pull the air duct away from the vehicle to create more space for the next steps. Now, let's move to the lower and side sections of the bumper. Begin by removing one Phillips head screw from inside each wheel well, where the fender meets the bumper. Then, get underneath the vehicle to remove about 5 10mm bolts securing the bumper to the belly pan. You will also find several push pins along the underbody cover that need to be removed. Double-check both wheel wells for any other hidden clips or screws. For the final step, it is time to release the bumper. Gently pull the corners of the bumper away from the headlights. You will hear a popping sound as the retaining tabs disengage. If any tabs are stubborn, use a flathead screwdriver or a prying tool to carefully assist. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors for fog lights or sensors before fully detaching. Once all connections are free, lift the entire bumper up and away from the vehicle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.